back to Jet This. What's got two thumbs and loves to be jet blasted?
We're getting ready to jet this. I'm just gonna start this up. I'm only gonna keep it at an idle because you know what? I think standing in the full blast, full throttle exhaust of a jet engine isn't exactly the smartest thing to do. But I do have my safety equipment on. I got my safety dog, got my safety goggles, got my knee pads on. We're gonna give it a go. So I'm gonna start this up. I'm gonna go back a little bit further and then I'm gonna make my way into it, see what it's like. Let's give it a try. I got jetted. Come on, stepped in and blew me away. Thanks for trying to jet this. Woo.
Now what's got two thumbs is gonna get hit by some jet blast. What's got two thumbs loves the jet. Welcome back to Jet This. What has two thumbs and loves to get some jet blasted in his face? Now what's got two thumbs loves to get jet blasted? Woo! What's got two thumbs is gonna get some blasted by some jet?